Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing quality Inn Merrillville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn Hotel is conveniently located near many local points of interest. Deep River Waterpark, the Lake County Fairgrounds and the Albanese Candy Factory and Outlet Store are just minutes from this hotel. Indiana Dunes National Lakeshore is a short drive away. This outdoor recreation area provides miles of beaches with a picturesque backdrop that is perfect for enjoying outdoor recreation activities like swimming, boating, fishing, hiking, biking and birdwatching. Many entertainment venues, retailers and restaurants can be found in the vicinity. Guests of this hotel can enjoy features like free deluxe continental breakfast, free Wi-Fi and wired high-speed internet access, free newspaper, free local calls and indoor heated pool. This hotel provides business travelers with additional conveniences including access to copy and fax service. In addition to standard amenities, all warm and inviting guest rooms are furnished with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers with free coffee, curved shower rods, hair dryers, spacious work desks, irons, ironing boards and cable television. Select rooms also have whirlpool bathtubs. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. There is a popcorn machine located in the lobby and coin-operated laundry facilities are available for guest use. Free parking is provided and can accommodate most vehicles. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.